If you own an LLC, you are most likely required to file a new government report, which is mandatory, by December 31st. Otherwise, you could face potential fines of up to $500 per day and a possible $10,000 additional penalty. This is incredibly important, so if you own an LLC, please listen to and save this message. As of 2024, businesses are required to file what is known as a BOI report. This is a beneficial ownership information report that is filed with FinCEN, a government organization. It provides information about the beneficiaries of certain businesses. Now, if you own an LLC, you are most likely required to file this. However, if you are a sole proprietor, you do not need to file this. If you opened your business January 2024 or later, then you have just 90 days to file this important form. However, if you registered your business before 2024, then you have until the end of this year, December 31st, 2024, to file this form. Make sure that you get your BOI report filed right away because we are almost out of time and those fines are going to start to accrue once you reach your deadline. I'm going to show you exactly how to file your BOI report quickly, easily, and for free. This is going to take just a few minutes. To file your report, you're going to visit fincen.gov/BOI. Underneath the File section here, click on File a Report using the BOI e-filing system. Click Get Started over here on the top right. We are going to prepare, file, and submit our BOI ourselves. Next, you're going to select what type of filing you're doing. If you're doing a BOI filing for the first time, you are going to click Initial Report. Next, if you do not already have a FinCEN ID, then go ahead and click right here so that you are assigned an ID number. Next, you're going to enter in your reporting company's legal name. That is simply your business's registered name. And then you're going to enter in any other DBAs or trade names that you may have registered to that business. So if, for example, you have one LLC that you are registered multiple DBAs to, then you will enter those in there. Next, you're going to enter in your tax identification type. You can select either EIN, Employer Identification Number, or Social Security Number. This should correspond directly with how your business information is registered. And go ahead and enter in that tax ID number. Next, enter in the country in which your business was formed. And then the address, city, country, state, and zip for the business. Next, select whether or not this is a pre-existing company. This is only going to be selected if you formed your business before January 1st, 2024. If you have a pre-existing company formed before 2024, then different rules apply to you. So check that business formation date and only check this box here if your business was formed prior to 2024. If this applies to you, then you are not required to fill out Part 2. The instructions here instruct you to skip down to Part 3. Next, you're going to enter in your owner's legal name and date of birth. Next, you're going to enter in the owner's current address, and then enter in the address, city, country, state, and zip. Next, you're going to be required to select a form of identification. Once you have entered in the identification information, then you're going to go ahead and upload a photo of the document. Once this is completed, enter in the email address, first name and last name, and complete the certification. Once your submission has been processed, then you will receive a submission status confirmation. You want to make sure that you download this transcript as it is your receipt.